Hello everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. The day has started off with some fog along the west coast of the country, but for the rest of South Africa it's going to be a mostly sunny day. Warmer weather settling into the high veld under all the sunshine, but to the east of that, partly cloudy conditions for the low veld where there could also be a few light showers moving through the area. We haven't seen the last of that west coast fog, which will be returning to the area by this evening, and that will be taking place ahead of a very promising cold front. The system will be making landfall along the western coastline on Monday evening, and for now it looks as though it's going to be producing some very good rain into the Western Cape, and we'll continue to keep you updated on how that evolves over the next 24 to 36 hours. Let's take a look at the rainfall probability map, and while most of South Africa will be dry, we still expect a few light showers for the low veld. That includes areas like Skukuza as well as Phalaborwa and just touching the far northeastern corner of KwaZulu-Natal. Moving ahead to a couple of your temperatures for today in Johannesburg, expecting a fantastic sunny afternoon with a high of 26 degrees. Bombela with some cloud cover reaching a maximum of 27, while Mahikeng and Phalaborwa both reach a high of 29. It's going to be a warm day for KwaZulu-Natal as well as the Eastern Cape, and after a cold morning in the Free State, we see temperatures climbing into the mid-20s. Warm and dry all across the east coast of the country, along with mostly light winds, and along with that there will be low swells only reaching a height of 1.5 meters around Durban. The southern interior can expect it to become quite hot, upper 20s and even the lower 30s for some areas, but for the coastline remaining typically mild across this area, mostly light winds in the forecast, but for False Bay that northwesterly wind starts to pick up, and that's normally indicative of an approaching cold front, which is exactly what we have at the moment. Sunny and warm weather all across the Northern Cape for this afternoon, Sutherland and Colesberg getting to 25, while along the west coast we see it's going to be cooler once again, Cape Town at 23 degrees along with some cloud cover, and low tide for Table Bay at 2:30 this afternoon. A quick check of tomorrow's conditions, and it's going to be warming up along the eastern and south coasts of the country. Bergwind conditions ahead of the front, pushing temperatures into the high 20s and low 30s as well. And Cape Town, you can expect some rain under thick cloud as the cold front will be making landfall during the second half of your day. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday.